Well, hey, what if one of the institutions you trusted the most to guide you across a very difficult exam becomes one of your biggest hurdles? Well, hey, this is my experience with Vision IAS. I graduated from the St. Stephen's College in Delhi University in economics, and I had joined Vision IAS with a lot of hopes. In fact, the institution was suggested to us. I was precisely in the batch preparing for the 2023 exam, that is to be precise, it's RB5. Instead of a clear path that we all expected, in this saga of preparation, we didn't know that we would end up with broken promises and mounting frustrations, to be honest. We had all signed up with high hopes. We wanted a structured preparation and expert mentorship. But as weeks turned into months, it became very clear that the support I and all our peers were promised was nowhere to be found, but things were much more gimmicky. Well, 6 months down the preparation line, we started off in the June of 2022, 6 months down the line in November or December, we were focusing on subjects that were peripheral. We were doing disaster management, we were doing basic economics, content that seemed like filter contents or peripheral contents, filling out space and time, seeming like Vision is not interested in teaching the core subjects. We had barely completed modern history in 4 to 5 months. We had not even reached the major part in polity. Environment is not started, it's December already. Art and culture, ancient medieval, ancient history, none of them's even touched by now. Economics, just barely somewhere thoda bahut done. The underlying problem we all very soon realized was an alarming shortage of teachers. Well, Vision IS packed us into numerous batches, leaving with inadequate support and a growing sense of discomfort, misdirection. Mentors were least interested. They were definitely paid well, as far as we know, but they were all doing it for the money that they were receiving. There was motion happening, but none of them, with the heart of a mentorship. Crucial subjects like modern history, as I told you, dragged on for months. Vital topics like polity remain incomplete even up till February. Now you're looking at February of 2023. This is a batch which started in the June of 2022. Well, test series and things like that were provided to us with no clear instructions of how to approach them. Mentors definitely were there, very disheartened, already tired with the exam, just doing it for the sake of the salary that they're receiving. Well, the impact, we all felt lost and disheartened with this kind of a hoax that we were in, struggling to keep up with the impossible workload that we eventually realized that Vision would not take responsibility of. And teachers were completely inaccessible, and mentoring, the entire mentoring system acted almost like an extended call center. That's what it was. Well, in the response to the criticism, we actually mass mailed Vision IAS that this is not done. You guys need to tell us when the course is going to end. When are you going to pick up these major subjects? 3 months to go for prelims from now. We had enrolled for a 10 months to 10 to 12 month course. It's already 8 to 10 months, and you guys have not finished the core 5 subjects. Well, what did they do? They didn't take up the responsibility. They pushed us all the recorded videos of the previous batches. Now we had at our hands 30 lectures of ancient and medieval, 10 to 12 lectures of different subjects, everything combined, just given to us. Well, with the exam looming, who can realistically absorb dozens of outdated lectures in such a short time? Well, despite the late efforts, there was no acknowledgement of the chaos and or the misguidance that was given to us. Uh, we came to know that we were on our own, and almost all of us ruined our 2023 attempt to an extent. We did manage on our own to an extent, but this was a concerted misguidance, to be very precise, from such a big institute. All of this. Well, why am I telling you all of this? It is because henceforth, I want to start a series of videos where I would be telling you the websites, the people, the mentors who have helped me in my preparation, and these people are genuinely there to help you. Like, for example, I'll tell you, when you're subscribing to a course, make sure that you talk to the mentor first. Make sure that you guys are in the same frequency. Now that is something which is not done in this fraternity. It's more like आप पहले कोर्स को खरीद लो, उसके बाद हम आपसे बात करेंगे, आप हमसे बात करना. In this duration, I'll tell you some good material that's highly less utilized, certain people that you can contact, certain courses that you might consider joining, and certain websites and content that is actually not utilized by the aspirants. So in the upcoming videos, this is what we're going to do, and you can pick and choose what suits you, and you can proceed as per that. So this is a transition video. Just again to mention, this is not a paid endeavor. I've been deeply helped by Sumit sir in my preparation. He's somebody who believes in talking to students, engaging with an honest heart. And the fact of the matter is that you can connect to him. You don't need to buy a course to connect with these people. They're there to guide you despite of the fact you're in their course or not. So I would also be linking some important prelims related materials which you can use, extremely helpful. You don't need to subscribe to Telegram channels with people who themselves haven't cleared prelims with a good margin. You can use these materials. Alright, so with this, we will come to an end of this video. Henceforth, this channel has a very limited timeline. This channel is not supposed to exist for a very long time. Activities will stop after a point of time, but till the time I have not delivered all that I've wanted to. It won't stop. This would be, handing over to you all the information and some certain less explored areas which a lot of toppers have used. It would be something that I would want to let you all know about. Specifically, insights. इनसाइट्स के कुछ प्रोग्राम्स हैं जो बिल्कुल फ्री ऑफ कॉस्ट हैं. इनको यूटिलाइज कैसे करना है, किधर आपको इसको ऐड करना है, क्या आपको बिल्कुल सेलेक्ट नहीं करना है, क्या आपको चूज करना है, क्या ये कौन से में से फ्री प्रोग्राम्स आपको कहाँ पे इंटीग्रेट करना है प्रिपरेशन में. दिस वुड एक्चुअली गिव अ फिलिप टू योर प्रिपरेशन. दिस इज व्हाट वी आर ट्राइंग टू डू विद द अपकमिंग 3 to 4 minimum videos. You will know some of the nuggets that you can add in your preparation, and it would be very helpful for you.